Hey everyone, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Hey everybody, spring and fall are good times to save on your power bill. If you don't already have a screen door, which I didn't, here's what I did. Hands-free magnetic screen door. I know y'all have seen these on TV, as seen on TV product. I found this one at Walmart, and it was under $10. I bought 2 of them. It wasn't difficult to put up at all. My son had installed one on his door, told me about it. I've known about it for a long time, but I don't know, I guess I thought it was something that would tear up or not work as I needed it to. But, you know, I mean, it's under $10. And if I can open my doors and get some fresh air in and some cool air, then that's what I wanted to do. And so I installed it. There it is. Now that's going out my back door to my garden. There's Miss Key. Now here's what I did. I don't know that she would go through that. She's never acted like she wanted to go outside. But just to be safe, I got a gate. I've got different kinds of gates from over the years. So I put this gate up, and especially for my little dogs, because I don't know whether they would try to get through that screen or not. It doesn't lock or anything. It just flaps back together. So look at that. I mean, I've got all that light, and I can see out there when I'm working in my on my patio. I'm excited. And also, that she likes the cool air. Also, I put one up here. I sure did. And I hear all those chimes. Now, I'm up on a hill, and so the bad part is that the wind sometimes blows this thing open. And that's why I wanted the gates here, just as a precaution to keep the animals from going out. Isn't that just cool, huh? I mean, I love that. It's super easy to do, y'all. There is just almost very little installation skills needed. So look, it just opens up. Now see how the wind kind of gets it? But on a day that it's not super windy, that was a burst of wind right there. That's for sure. It just plops back together. It just goes right back together again. Isn't that cool? I love it. It works for me. Walmart, under $10.